radio, and I'll see you.
And that's a great big 410-164, Roger, man. Well, you get the whole cotton picking state of Kentucky on cotton picking hold. Ain't nothing but you. 8164. Keep on with the keeping on, man. Happy Father's Day to that cotton picking in. No money in Maryland. Working this Dave made transmitter. We're reading this mail.
No money, WhiteCloud. WhiteCloud, Evansville, Indiana. WhiteCloud, Evansville, Indiana, cruising this.
WhiteCloud, Evansville, Indiana. That's what you said when you said it. Hey, WhiteCloud, no money's Father's Day wave right back.
Hey, no money. Hey, right back, Jesse James. Right back, my girl.
Jackhammer, Smoky Hills. Father's Day wave. No money on Jackhammer in the clear.
And there it is right there, Jackhammer. Hey, Jackhammer, Smoky Hills with your Father's Day wave. Man, you rose on top to pile that go-round. Oh, to you, Jackhammer, Smoky Hills of Tennessee. No money in Maryland, working a state-made transmitter. 4-element, 8-foot-long antenna with a Father's Day wave. Get down.
No money, WhiteCloud just said.
Boy, you got that Dave-made transmitter smoking, man. You got that Dave-made transmitter smoking in Smoky Hills, no doubt about it. No money in Maryland with that good sounding audio. Jackhammer, Smoky Hills, I'm back out reading the mail. No money, I'm back quiet.
And I appreciate it, Jackhammer. Hey, Jackhammer, I appreciate it. I got this gun picking video gate rolling. I got a new one rolling on this gun picking end, man. Take care. Take 'em easy, Jackhammer. All by yourself at go round. No money in Maryland. Easing back.
I don't no money, Maryland. Sound good there, Kentucky. No doubt.
AKP-68.
1, 2.
See, you got that thing down while I'm pointed up north. KP-68, Jackhammer reading the mail. Break.
How about a 352 and a 51 Dallas? How about you, Dallas? You got a copy?
Hey, KP-68, I'm trying to get so good in Tennessee. Hello, KP-68. Me and this big old flat side beam in Tennessee is reading the mail.
Boys, rough. Paul said, it's rough. Throwing a big old key down this way. Appreciate that. Come back there. Jesse James, B200 at 36, Tennessee. We're standing by.
Hey, two guns in the garden. Two guns in the garden.
672, 6 back, letting you know.
Dave from Tennessee. Two guns in the garden. Jackhammer, Smoky Hills, reading the mail.
Oh, just get in the bed. Hello, yo,
Jackhammer, tell that gun picker put his water pistols away on Father's Day, man. Hey, Jackhammer, no money in Maryland. Said, tell that gun picker 2 pistols to put them away. I'll see you.
Hey, 10-4, yo, Southern Missouri.
Hey, two guns, you got that Mobile smoking, man. Hey, two guns in the garden, you got that Mobile smoking. Once again, happy Daddy Day wave from Tennessee. Old Jackhammer running in the clear. I saw you.
Hey, KP-68, one try to sneak in there and say hello one more time. KP-68, 672, 6 back, we
All
try.
right, man, I got it all. You said you working at base station. You said you working at base station, man. All right, man, well, that cotton picker sounding good. Hello, once again, two guns in the garden. Jackhammer say, I saw ya.
I'm not Jackhammer. Jackhammer, old digger. Hey, Jackhammer.
All right, KP-68, I appreciate the get back, my friend. You sounded real good in Hills of Tennessee. KP-68 coming out of Pittsburgh doing the deal in my receipt. 672, 6-pack, letting you know.
I'm at 6-pack one time. 6-pack, old digger. Hey, 6-pack, old digger, working this little D-made mobile break.
Hey, two guns in the garden. I got this big old flat side beam pointing northeast, man. I got this big beam pointing northeast saying Happy Father's Day, no doubt about it, from Tennessee. Two guns in the garden. Jackhammer back out reading the mail.
All right, Jackhammer, get your mind off of the go.
Bye, Jackhammer. Jackhammer, get your mind off that. Come picking 2 guns in a garden. No money in Maryland, working as Dave made. Jackhammer, no money in Maryland, said bye.
Hey, no money. I'm gonna leave that cutting digger on the mall, man. I'm gonna talk to my radio. No money with your Dave May transmitter. I'm gonna leave everybody on the mall, man, 'cause you come up in my radio and cleaned it out. No money, Maryland, Jackhammer reading the mail. Break.
And I appreciate it, Jackhammer. Hey, Jackhammer, I appreciate it. Ain't no two ways about it. Hey, Jackhammer, thank you. Let me know that duck plugging Dave May transmitter's working. Worldwide Jackhammer, sounding real good around the state of Maryland. No money's Dave May transmitter in Maryland, right back.
No money. Well, I got this cotton picking beam pointing northeast. Hey, no money. You're smoking. I'll see you later. No money. Jackhammer, I got to go. I saw you.
Bye, Jackhammer. Take care, man. Hey, Jackhammer, make sure you check out the cotton picking video on YouTube, man. No Money DM 2017. It'll be posted up on my channel. Take care, Jackhammer. A 6pack. That video's uploaded, man. You can check it out. Take care. No Money in Maryland. Got down right there.
All this time because you all I heard up in my radio. Hey, two guns in the garden. You got it going on in Tennessee.
Maryland, 185 with the Father's Day wave. Said good morning. No money in Maryland. 185 waving. Break.
Hey, 185, you rose on top of the pile. That go around, man. Hello to you, 185. No money in Maryland with this Father's Day wave. 185, let's go.
Hey, right back there. No money.
You said bye. You ain't gonna put that kind of sneaking up in there too.
Said have a good daddy day. No money in Maryland. 185 said bye.
Bye, 185. Hey, 185, I appreciate it. I appreciate that Father's Day wave, man. You got that kind of big thing stroking around Maryland. Take care, 185. No money in Maryland. Working this Dave May transmitter. And this little bitty 8-foot-long 4-element gut down, right down.
John, hey, no money.
183 and 185 on Jack.
Said I got it all. Have a good one. Hey, no money in Maryland. 185 said I'm gone now. Be around Arkansas.
Bye, 185. Take care, man. Jackhammer tried to ease up in there to you, but you were staying on top. Hello to you, Jackhammer. Hello to you, 185. No money in Maryland. Working this Dave May transmitters, reading this mail.
Hey, Dave, hey, tell him, hey, no money. Tell him 185 said barefooted, dog on 90. And tell him I said happy daddy day too. Hey, no money. You tell him I said happy daddy day. No money in Maryland. 185 got down.
Hey, Jackhammer, that coming at 185 wanted me to tell you Happy Father's Day, man. Hey, Jackhammer, 185 said Happy Father's Day. No money in Maryland, got down.
And I appreciate it. Hey,
No money. My doggone driver is down. I ain't real strong, so I can't do a whole lot. No money. I appreciate the friendly five, and I hope you'll pass it right back. No money. Jackhammer with the Happy Day wave. I'm back out.
Ain't no two ways about it, Jackhammer. I wouldn't do it any way different on that duck shucking in. I roll it like I told it. Hey, 185. Old Jackhammer said his driver's down. He ain't too strong. He can't stay long. He can only do what he can do with Mother Nature. And he said Happy Father's Day right back. 185. Jackhammer, 185. No money in Maryland. Got down.
No money, man. 99. Hey, no money. Just tell him I'm running a barefoot in 99, and I got it all. Hey, no money because you said it all. And I appreciate it too, man. With that Daddy's Day wave right back with Jackhammer, my friend around Tennessee also. Bye, no money, 185 on that barefoot in 99, and this big old antenna said bye.
And that's agreed. Big 185 Roger. Hey, Jackhammer, he said he's on a barefoot at 99 and his great big old antenna. He said your friend in Tennessee also. Take care, 185. Take care, Jackhammer. No money's Dave May transmitter reading this mail.
Hey, Dave May, you got that thing down too. Hey, more money. You got that thing down too. Right down here in Tennessee border. You got that thing locked down. Have a good morning and a good one coming up and a good prosperous doggone daddy day. 185. And his big little bitty radio, big antenna said I'm gone now.
Oh, 185. You can check the video out later, man. They're gonna make it barefoot at 99 is doing what it's supposed to do with that great big antenna. Hey, Tennessee Border Patrol. Hey, 185. No money in Maryland. I'll see you.
Hey, no money. I appreciate it too, man. Hey, no money in Maryland. What I look up, just no money in Maryland. What I supposed to look up, man?
Hey, 185, my YouTube channel is No Money DM 2017. No Money DM and then four numbers 2017. That's the channel. You'll see the video up there in a little while. Take care, 185, No Money in Maryland. Dave Made Transmitters reading this mail.
Y'all need no money. I done tied it up too long, man. Man, enjoy this deal and most of all, be safe, man. That's what it counts for. No doubt about that. There's no money. I will try to look it up, and I get back with you, man. Let me pull this thing out of the way and put this thing back on the other side and get on out of here. Hey, no money. 185 Tennessee border.
Bye, 185. I keyed one last time to let you know I got it all when you said it all. Bye down there to you, Tennessee Border Patrol. No Money organist Dave May transmit around Maryland. Father's Day wave. Get down. By 185. I think it was 189, something like that, man. There was about 2 or 3 other big brothers come up in there. I think I even heard Dirty Bird in Georgia while I'm looking around Tennessee. Hello to you big brothers out there. No Money working this Dave May transmit around Maryland. Father's Day wave. Get down.
How about you, no money, 298, 298. I don't want to take up no more time. I'm gone now.
36, Tennessee.
By 185. Appreciate you giving them boys around Tennessee and Kentucky and Missouri a come picking green light. Hello to you, 289, 289, 289. I heard it that go round. 289, No Money in Maryland. Right back.
Oh, yeah, 298, 298, no money, 298, no money.
298, 298, 298, 298. I got it this time. I took the dyslexia out of it this way. Hey, 298, No Money in Maryland. Right back. I was getting ready to have you say 289. Oh, 298. Father's Day wave. No Money in Maryland. 8-foot long antenna. Dave May transmitter and a video gate. I got down.
Somebody said I was on the telephone. What do you think about that, Mo Money? Hey, Mo Money, they thought I was on the damn telephone. I tell you.
Yeah, shame on a mess, 185. You know, everybody's got camping haters out there, man, and, you know, when you got people out here, they say we're holding hands and talking on the telephone or on camping and social media and talking all about that, man. Well, you know, who the hell cares? We out here doing what the world's going on while Mother Nature's making us have a great big conversation. Take care, 185. You got a talk show and that camping and barefoot at 99. You must got a great big old antenna, I'll see you.
Hey, little squirrel buddy, I got around this time, but I appreciate it, man. Yeah, I don't know your phone number, man, but if I did, I would have to call you on the phone. I'd do it like the Mother Nature way if I can. That's what I'll do. You in there too, that T-Bucket. You ain't all the rest of the game. 185, Tennessee, Kentucky border. And I want that back here and come to the company and give me a bird. I want to get called. I want to get called. More money day. I'm on the border patrol. Got down. I'll see you.
Bye, Tennessee, Kentucky Border Patrol. We're going to hang up this cotton picking Mother Nature phone call. Bye, 185. No Money's Dave May transmitter in Maryland. We said bye, 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 bye.
Radio with that happy day wave. Out there 370, I heard you that time, man. I heard 370 hollering, but he might not be hollering at me. Hey, 370, I heard you and heard somebody else up there around New York hollering too. But I don't know. Get back on the 370 and the Keystone 164 Southside K1 Radio. That big out.
Hey, 164. Get your mind out of the Keystone. Here comes No Money in Maryland once again. 164, No Money in Maryland, get down.
Yeah, I say no money. I can't help it. Tennessee border waving.
Bye, 164. Take care. Sounded good. I just want to ease this thing back up in your receive one more time. 164 around Kentucky. No money in Maryland. Father's Day wave. Get down.
Good evening and a good daddy's day right now, no doubt about it. Hey, 370 Kodiak, 185 Tennessee, Kentucky border. And I'm hoping
How about that?
Hey, 185. Tell that guy making 370. Put another quarter in it. You got to put another quarter in it to make that Mother Nature call. Hey, 185. I see you.
Bye. Hey, my money. You just tell him back there 370. That's 307, 370. You got to put.
Hey, 10-4 there, station number 1. We got you in there. Come on back to 236.
You tell him put another quarter in there, baby. 370. That ain't a whole bunch of background singer, man. He come back in there and told me, tell you put another quarter in, man, so Mother Nature can get him.
Number 1. Appreciate that shout. Be 236, Tennessee, standing by.
Oh, there to you, 236. I don't believe we've made a contact yet today. Hello, 236. No money in Maryland. Father's Day wave. Get down.
Hey, 10-4 there. No money. Sounding good down here in Tennessee. Appreciate that shout. Be 236, Tennessee, standing by.
That's a great big 236, Roger. Take care, my friend. Father's Day around your place. 73s around a household. No money in Maryland. Get down.
Hey, 10-4 there. No money. Hope you have a fine Pappy's Day up that way.
I'll catch you later now.
I see you. We go.
Maybe I need just to get her warmed up just a little bit right here. Maybe I need just, get some more. 370.
Hey, 370, sounding good down here in Tennessee. Be 236, Tennessee, wave a hand.
Audio. 111.
Bye, 370. Boy, watch your back, man. That gun's in the garden putting weight on your back, man. Hey, 370. That gun in the garden putting a little weight on your back. Good evening. 185. Said bye.
Hey, Border Patrol, I don't like putting weight on anybody's back. I just like moving them out of the way and easing up in front to pile. Old Texas, Tennessee, Kentucky, Border Control. I'm back out.
Well, I'm sitting here waiting on the border, man. I'm up there. I can hear them guys up there battling, man. They're battling up there in the garden, man. Them guys are there.
Hello, audio.
Tennessee border, back quiet. I'll see you. Mississippi, say hello. Say hello in there, lady 111. Man, I'm over the power of the train wreck that's over my radio right now.
Where you at, Six Pack? I heard you in there a little bit ago, man. I hear you out there a little bit, man. Getting that gun picker straight. Come on down. Six Pack, no money in Maryland. Break on.
Ain't no money in Maryland, Tennessee. Well, happy Father's Day too, man. I'm gonna put another quarter in and get back out the way. The old six pack, I said happy Daddy's Day too. I'll see you. Ladies number 1, here you go. We're on my radio, but there you go. Listen in.
All right, 185, I heard you, man. You wanted to tell Six Pack Happy Father's Day, man, but I ain't heard him key back up yet. Oh, Tennessee, Kentucky Border Patrol. No money in Maryland. I'm waiting for him. I'll see ya.
Mississippi, South, down there,
Hey, no money. He's still got a grip on my lip. Hello, come in, breaker, breaker.
Yeah, man. All by yourself. Go ahead.
Hey, just want to see if I got that little feedback straightened out. Hello.
It's still slightly in there, but it's nowhere near as bad as it was, man. Like I said, it's definitely on the peaks of your highs.
Well, they dumped it down.
10-4, I appreciate your help.
No problem, man. And like I said, it's not a bash. It's just, want to make sure you get it straight. I'm gonna let you know how it's going on, man. Because I would want somebody to let me know if this sucked like it wasn't the way it's supposed to be. And we know our stations and we know how they're supposed to be. A 6-pack, no money in Maryland. Got down.
All right, I appreciate it, my friend. Yeah, I appreciate it. I just can't hear it in my receive radio. It's killing me not being able to hear it. But that's all we can do. Just let somebody else tell us. I appreciate it. No money. Go back by.
Yeah, like I said, I don't know if you were able to look at that video on YouTube, but you can see on my SDR when it happens. You can see the peaks shoot up there. But that last transmit, man, it wasn't in there. I didn't hear it. I didn't see it. So, I don't know. It might just be something that comes and goes, man. And them gremlins are the worst.
10-4, I turned the knob and adjusted a little out of my 8 kilohertz. Get it out of there. It's not showing up on my end right now. I hope I got it out. No money. I appreciate all your help. Till we do it again. I'm back quiet.
Yeah, man, you sound like you did the first time I heard you, and every other time until this morning here, man. Yes, sir. I think he might have took care of it right there. Hey, 6-pack, keep on to keep it on, man. While we're trying out here to change Ken Pickin tradition and all these normalized radios. While we out here trying to get that hi-fi wide bandwidth audio. I'll see you.
All right, no money. That's about no money. We're back quiet now.
Oh yeah, I better tell you before Ken Pickin, Tennessee, Kentucky Border Patrol don't allow me across the Ken Pickin West. Oh, 185 said to tell you Happy Father's Day, man. He said another friend in Tennessee. He wanted to tell you all Happy Father's Day.
I appreciate the 5 when you hear him again. Roll a 5 right back. I don't get the pleasure of talking to my neighbors. We can't hear them, but we like rolling a 5. Maybe we'll see them in Manchester. No money. 672-6-pack away.
And it's the great Big Roger. Hey, 185, he said he wanted me to roll a friendly Happy Father's Day right back to you, man. So you don't get, the same way here, man. We don't get to talk to our neighbors that much, but it's easier when you can roll to 5 from state to state. No two ways about it. Take care, 6-pack. Take care, 185. That Ken Pickin, Tennessee, Kentucky Border Patrol. No money in Maryland, sitting back.
Buy more money. Appreciate it, man. No doubt about it. I appreciate taking your time out to do it. Hey, more money. I'm going to sit back and listen to your talk show, man. You got that thing going on up there around Maryland, too, man. Up around Dade, May County. You got that kind of thing talking. Hey, more money. I just letting you know what I hear, and I'm going to put another quarter in the slot, man. Because, I want Mother Nature to stay in there, and I like to put another quarter in the slot. Hey, more money. 185 gone now.
Hey, 185, that's what I like, man. That's exactly what I like doing, man. When Mother Nature's up here and Mother Nature's easing on my side of town, I like keeping this thing keyed down and having a Ken Pickin talk show with somebody, man. Hey, 185, I appreciate it, man. This Ken Pickin little 8-foot-long furlum is doing what it's supposed to be doing, man, because I ain't got a whole bunch of watts up in it. And I know you ain't got a whole bunch of watts up in yours, man. It's a Mother Nature thing. Hey, 185, no money in Maryland, right back.
More money, 41. 2 swing at 40, got big and watch on the 99 radio, and that's all I got to offer, man. That's all I got to offer. I know them guys can beat me up. Hey, Billy, no pain, no strain. You got it. Billy, appreciate you bump down. Happy Father's Day right there. Your 360 King Kong radio, Smoky Hill 10. Back quiet. Good morning there, neighbor.
Oh, right back, Outlaw. LOT 360, no money in Maryland. 360, no money's day May transmitter in Maryland. Father's Day wave, get down.
And I appreciate it. 185 got down.
Hey, 185, you ain't got nothing to become making ashamed about, man. We out there working that barefooted 99 and that great big antenna, man. Hey, take care, 185. I'm going to try and ease up and come back in 360's radio. No money in Maryland, get down.
Okay, 357 Maryland, your live wire. King Kong. King Kong radio, running Smoky Hill with the wave is gone.
Hey, King Kong, get your mind off at 357, no money in Maryland. Hello to you, King Kong, no money in Maryland, get down.
Man, there's a whole lot of Big Apple Tennessee right about now. Hello to you all around the Big Apples. Your live wire, King Kong, Kong Radio 360, getting on down. Down about 13 with the box on, come on.
Hey, 360, them boys around the Big Apple trees, you got to pay a toll to come out of the camping in New York City. Oh, to you, King Kong, no money in Maryland, come on down.
No money, Maryland. Hello out there, no money, Maryland. Doing a real good deal around the Smoky Hill, and I'm waving right back. Happy Father's Day. We got a real good weekend out there. No money in Maryland, your live wire, King Kong Radio, moving on.
By Live Wire, King Kong Radio out of the Smoky Hills. Sounding good around the state of Maryland for sure. Hey, take care, man. Happy Father's Day on that end. Keep on doing what you're doing, big brother. No money in Maryland. Working as Dave-made transmitters, reading the mail.
Buy no money. Buy no money in Maryland. Got it all? You said it all. All by yourself. I'll catch you later on. 360, go.
Hey, 360, don't tell him that, man. You can put a target on my back. And I ain't too strong, and I ain't got a real big antenna, and I ain't got a whole bunch of watts, man. This come big in less than a half a bushel. 8 foot long, 4-element. All I got to do is this Dave-made audio and a whole bunch of Mother Nature. Hey, 360, I'll see you.
Buy no money. Buy no money. Real good copy. Once again, I will catch you later on. 360, go.
And I'm back out the way, 360. I'm going to sit back and let this video gate roll, man. I'm going to stop this one, start another one. Take care. Make sure you check it out. No Money DM 2017 on YouTube.com. I'll see you.
Dirty bird in the joint. I was on live wire south of 148 Ice Valley, up in there around Maryland. I was on 360, south like 148, was on 2995, it was on Mako 5000 modified ground plane. 8434, in your radio. 8434, can I get a video receive? Hey, little squirt, I'm waving your way. Hello out there, little squirt. I'm gonna try to wave your way anyway, little squirt. Your Kong, King Kong in the Smoky Hill, come on.